Yeah, I know, yeah. To the beach, yeah. Oh, God. Let's have a look at the time there. 4:06. You have the arm pulled down the socket use. And you lead the way.
She always hated my lies, and I always loved her eyes, looking at me disapprovingly. Why did I want her to hate me? And I always tried to impress, but as you could guess, she saw right through to the core of my real fantasy. She was a hard-headed woman, but it wasn't hard to love a soft-hearted person like her. I know it was just me, but I always wanted to be her ideal boy with a smile, to walk her around in style. But I was just a liar, with his pants always on fire, waiting by the phone so I could walk her home. She was a hard-headed woman, but it wasn't too hard to love a soft-hearted body like hers.
Every day. Can't even let him off the lead on the beach. You never get him back. Just a nice casual ride this morning. Had a lot of rain, stopped off in a couple of shops, talked to a few locals, waiting for it to die down. Can't be taking too many chances. Very dangerous riding in the rain. Oh, stop. People look at you when you're vlogging. It's always awkward, but I don't give a fuck. Come out and say hello. Can't see you that far away. Huh? Am I the only one that woke up on the right side of the bed this morning? Huh? I'm already getting tried and tested, and I'm still as happy as always. I don't know. Maybe it's me. Here comes Champ. Look, 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 look. Look, he's gonna get out. Now say hello to everyone while you're out here. Jenny. Jenny, say hello. Look at him, look at him. Four-legged terror. You. Don't you be wrecking the place. You. Here's a force now. Shaving vlog. Oh yeah. Bit of vegetable soup there. And spicy pig. Thank you. Thank you. Here's my fruit man. Knows exactly what I want. Don't even have to tell him. Just say same again. Kapung kap. Watermelon, pineapple, papaya. Anyway. Nah. Nah. Big boy. You know what? I think I did something really good in my life, Jonah, to deserve to have a friend like you. Love you too much. Mwah. That was good. Where's that, you know, the holder I was using? Remember, on Sunday. Ah, yeah, very good. That's what I'm after. Just leave it over here, yeah. Oh. Now, why does it keep falling over? Okay. Now, not disturb me please while I watch my favourite YouTube channel. Okay?
You're listening to Jonesy's Jukebox on KLOS. It is 4 minutes after 12 bells and we're here at the Viper Room live. Slash is going to be joining.
Here's the rain. Another day stuck inside the shop. Not a bother on you, is there? Huh? So what's going to happen here now is Champ is going to get his teeth cleaned. What's this you have, Jenny? Let's see. Dental finger wipes. Okay, she's going to give us a demonstration now. On, Champ. Now to see the dentist. Oh, sorry for disturbing you with your bone. It'll only take a second. Look. I don't know, does he like it, does he? champ. You'll have $1 million smile, you will. You'll have a grand set of delf. Gotta keep them intact. Just wants his bone. Yeah, let's get a look at his teeth there. He's the snazziest street dog in Samui. Champ. Mr. Fox. Look at him. Oh, I think he likes it, look. Good boy. He's a great dog. He does everything you tell him. Anytime you call him, he always comes running to you. If you tell him not to go somewhere, he does exactly what you say. Great dog.
Они маленькие.
А тебе больше?
Алло? 390, 600. 600, правильно? Сироп. 600, ладно. 600. Ладно. Иди, вот, зависит. Они не столько в чемодане не ищут, Дима, самое главное, не ищут в чемодане не ищут.
Так, вот эти, они лезут, ничего.
Слушай, у тебя нормально сделано.
Да?
Я смотрю, просто смотри, реши таким как-то так, смотри. Не то четко, а я не делаю чистку.
Я тебе беру. Себе нашел.
Oh, not a lot you can do today, folks, in the rain. Wouldn't give up today. We got some food anyway for the evening, as well as some. Yeah. Does it need an introduction? Right, she got the Isan food sorted. Look, well, I forget what this. This is not lamb tuk. Lamb mu. Yeah, lamb mu. Yeah. That one's alright. I'm not mad about this one now. It's a bit too sour. Yeah. She can have that, I'll have this. And then look. Oh yeah. you look like you've had a lot of practice doing that. Huh? Look, Snoopy's jealous, look. Snoopy jealous. You're not getting any. You're on a diet, fat beagle. Okay. See what the lap more is like. What do you know? It's good. Needs to sticky rice to go with it. Dip it in a bit. I'll try. Yeah. Put it in this. No, you're on a diet. You're on a diet. It's good gear. God. Taste lasts forever. What's this one? Pork. Good. The sausage. It's got that real flame grilled after effect on it. Real charcoal-y like. Bit of sticky rice to go with it as well. Dip it in a bit of lap more. Wash down with a bit of Leo. Snoopy. I can see it. Oh, God. I'm really enjoying myself here now. It's mad, isn't it, how the simple little things can make like a really dull rainy day turn out to be quite an enjoyable experience. One not to be forgotten. This is my house.
There's nothing to worry about. You mix it up like this, you know.
Jenny, please. Jenny, you're making a video. God, jeez. Every time. Just don't play any videos, right? For a couple of minutes.
You and your video.
Yeah, I only
shoot.
5 minutes, please. 5 minutes.
Explosion! Coming to the nation with version.
Every time. Did I ever mention that it's like living in a cuckoo clock sometimes? Ah, look who it is. Miel Pal from Manchester. So yeah, Mr. Beagle over there, he's hard work, he is. Hard work. 10 to 4 this morning, he woke up. But in fairness though, I think Jenny got up, she let him out the back. I think he probably did a bit of his toilet and came back to bed, but he woke up then at 5:15 and I brought him out. And yeah, back to the monitor lizards, the swamp. I couldn't take it anymore. I had to just leave. And what happened was, I was going back to get him, and he turned up outside the front door. No lead on him. Apparently one of the massage girls down by the gym got him by the lead and went to bring him back, but he made a big struggle and got out of the harness. And it's a good expensive harness as well. I brought it home from Ireland for him. Like proper make, like good quality. And yeah, apparently like he only lets like me and Jenny take him on the lead. But he's back here now anyway. And the day before he got off to another part of the swamp as well, further down the beach. And there's this expat, like he splits his time between two countries that I've made friends with, and he has a little dog, little rescue dog, and Snoopy went off with the monitor lizards, and I got fed up. I walked away. I was walking up the beach and I seen him sitting on the sand with his dog. I was telling him all about Snoopy and all, going, oh, he's hard work, I'm fed up and all, like, you know. can't let him off the lead, and like he just runs away, and there's no getting him back and all, like, you know. And he turns around to me and he goes real serious. He goes, well, the next time you catch him, why don't you just grab him by the head and put him under the water and leave him down there until he stops breathing. And I just looked at him like that. And I was waiting for him to like start laughing, like as if like, oh, it's a joke. And he went, yeah, just do that. Just put the head down and he'll struggle at first, and just wait until he's still and he'll be dead, and just go home and tell your missus that he got bitten by the lizard or something like that, and or else the lead got tangled up on a branch or something like that, and he died. I was like, and I just continued looking at him like that, you know. And then he just quickly changed the subject, you know. I think he knew he kind of hit a nerve there, you know. I just went along with him, like, you know, like with him changing the subject, you know. But wow, man, I'd never do that. Like if it was that much of a problem, I'd just say it. I just say to her, like, say, here, listen, like, he has to go. And if she didn't agree with me, well, then I'd just go. Simple as that. And I was thinking that this morning. I had enough. I plain and simply had enough. I said, he doesn't belong here. He should be in a home with a big garden with walls and a gate, so that when he wakes up at mad hours of the night, all you have to do is open the door and he's out in the garden to play and he's safe, you know. You can't do that here. Can't do that here. You'd end up going out on the road getting hit by a car. But yeah, we went back, and I turned around to Jenny and I said, here, listen, he doesn't belong here. I think we have to find a new home for him. But I'd never, like, kill him to get him off the scene. You know? I wouldn't turn myself into a doggy murderer over a little thing like that, when you could just talk about it. I wouldn't kill a dog like that, you know, because I was fed up with it. I'd rather find a new home. A home that can give it the things that I can't. Not just any home, you know. But anyways, I said to Jenny, I says, yeah, listen, he has to go. He doesn't belong here. We need to find a better home for him. And she turned around and just went, shut up, Paul. Like, you know, you're just saying that now. I just see now later on. You just forget about it. And guess what, folks? Exactly 2 hours later, I was sitting in this exact same seat with my feet up, reading my book. Snoopy was down the end. And then decides to change position for his little nap. Comes right up next to me and leans his head on my arm. Goes asleep. I was just like, ah. Little fella has me wrapped. I'm turning into me outfit as well, I am. He used to always say crazy stuff, you know. Jump at the drastic measures in the heat of the moment and then quickly be forgotten about. Anyway, folks, there goes the video. Just another little day in the life. Try to make a normal day look interesting to use. I don't know. It's up to yourselves. But what I do know is, me and my mate Liam are enjoying a nice beer. Until next time, alright? Keep her lit. Watch your video now.